How much time should you spend on LinkedIn to be successful? Really interesting question. I figure that with 15 minutes a day, Monday to Friday, and 1 hour a week, you can be extremely successful on LinkedIn. If you're not prepared to commit that kind of time to LinkedIn, then you pretty much ought to forget it, because that consistency and being there every day for a little bit of time is really what makes this successful. The hour would probably be spent seeking new connections, getting involved in perhaps writing some new content, researching for the content that might inspire you to actually write your own content for the week or even build up an article. And that's the planning time that you would spend making sure that what you do has got strategic relevance to the audience you're trying to attract. The 15 minutes a day is so that you're in the moment on LinkedIn, you're in the conversations that are happening in real time. It's no use saying, I'm going to do LinkedIn at 4 o'clock on a Friday till 6 o'clock when I've got a couple of hours. That simply won't work for you. Being on LinkedIn a little and often is the secret to success. Now, whether you do that in 150 minutes a day, that's up to you. Whether you split it into 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. I often find that if I'm sort of traveling and commuting, I'll be checking out information on my phone as I travel, which is a great idea. I might not be engaging on my phone because I find engagement is much easier on the desktop, but certainly having those few minutes each day and coming regularly back to LinkedIn, I find will keep you in the conversations that are happening so you don't miss anything. So in summary, 50 minutes a day, minimum LinkedIn, plus an hour a week, and you can be very successful. Just to finish, what I find the people who are really gaining from LinkedIn is they love spending a lot more time on it than that, because literally every minute they spend generates new opportunities, and who wouldn't want some of that?